Okay, I won't be trying to go. You got a friend. She both made it 5-2.
Get on him.
I didn't knock it loose though.
Take it back! Why can't I shoot it? Well, people get the ball. Sue, I'm allowed to shoot it. And that's what happened.
6-2. Yeah, don't fit very well. She got to be on me like 5 on 6. John Michael wants to keep it.
Hit him! Oh,
Bye-bye.
Jessica! What? It hit the rim. It didn't hit the rim.
You gotta take it back now. Ooh. What's the score?
6-3.
Sunlight, sunlight. Let me see your shirt.
Oh, you gotta go back.
Yeah. 8 to 3. That's pretty good. You gotta get 2 points if you make it.
Jessica, it hit the rim. It hit the rim anyway. Now take it out.
No, I'm not taking it.
Hey, why are you afraid? It's a game. You're next. I made 2 shots and you've only made 1. Because you always shoot the ball, you won't give it to anybody else.
Now, John Mike, you think she made more shots or you?
So Michael, here. Since you're so good, you play. You come play. Since you're so good, you play it by yourself.
Go ahead.
Go for it, Jess.
Since you so Miss Perfect, think you can do everything.
I should let her win that.
You've already reached 10.
No.
8 or 9.
Hey, it hit the thing. Gonna play? No. Probably.
Mainline TV here. Wow.
Game.
When you start hitting those, you're in deep trouble. Okay, you want to play 21.
21.
Yeah, I need something to mark it.
They'll be coming to blows before you get to 21.
Now you get 21. Where? I know.
Hold it. You have to draw that word for your team. But don't say what it is. Say it down.
What we got? You guess it?
Draw the word.
You don't know what?
Oh, boy. You know what that is, right?
We gotta guess.
Draw the word. Y'all don't say a word.
Do we only have one guess?
No, you can't write it out. Draw something to make them guess.
Do we just shout it out or what?
Mm-hmm.
Do we just get one guess?
Wait a minute, I'm looking under here.
Okay, keep drawing.
Can't draw numbers or letters. No body language, right? All right, you have 60 seconds for y'all to guess the word after you've drawn what you're going to draw. Just holler it out if you guess it. And if y'all get it, then you get a point. If you don't get it, then y'all have the opportunity. And these things pertain to baby.
Oh, okay, that helps.
Wait. You don't guess it. You don't guess it. Y'all all know. Hang on a minute.
We're already one of the other.
I guess nobody guesses if you won't get any points. Go ahead, you're doing good.
Yeah, you know what the word is. Go ahead, you're doing good, babe. Look at my side, look at a blanket?
That's real close. I'm going to go ahead and give that to her. Security blanket. I even never got it.
Okay.
Very good. Like this. All right. What's y'all's name of y'all's team going to be?
Santana. And the other one can be Santana. We got
What's y'all's team name?
Haley. Go ahead.
And you're going to be the co-captain. All right. Don't guess. Very good.
Come on, Mr. Lawrence, go down.
Come on, Mr. Lawrence.
You can do it. Okay.
Oh, wait a minute. I can't do it.
Yeah, you can. Come on, Mr. Lawrence. Come on, you can do it.
Oh, let me turn it this way a little bit.
Yes, right. Come on, Mr. Lawrence.
See y'all.
Okay.
You just going to town for somebody that couldn't draw. Oh, mercy, let's see. Here.
Hint, this is 2 words.
Okay, that's all.
You better guess?
Say it, what?
Very good.
This is y'all.